Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Aisyah. You can call me Caca. I live in Jalan AKB Sanimba 1. My major is Environmental Engineering Study Programs. I'm in here because I want to read the result of my work entitled Climate Change. Please take a look. NIM 21250022. What I know what fossil fuels are. What I want to know, what are fossil fuels? What I learned, fossil fuels are natural fuels found in and on Earth, such as oil, coal, and natural gas. When burned, the gas released into the atmosphere are added to the blanket that covers the Earth. What I know about how old the Earth is. What I want to know, approximately how old is the Earth? What I learned, Earth is about 4.5 billion years old, and during its life, the climate has changed quite often and has experienced ice age, warming and everything in between. All scientists agree that the climate changed often during the 4.5 billion years old. What I know when the climate changes. What I want to know, when does the climate change? Climate does not change from day to day or even month to month, but it usually takes hundreds, thousands, or millions of years to change. The climate in one place on Earth differs from another place. For example, the climate in a desert might be hot and dry, but in the rainforest, it is usually warm and humid. And in some mountain areas and other places, it will be cold all year long. What I know for a fact that the Earth's average temperature is increasing. What I want to know, how are the facts about the increase in the Earth's average temperature? What I learned, the proven fact that the Earth's average temperature has increased about 1.33 Celsius over the past 100 years between the 1900 and 2000. Reviewing the past 200 years, it has increased about 1.8 Celsius. It might not sound like a big change, but it will influence the Earth. What I know another word for Earth heating up. What I want to know, what is another word for Earth heating up? What I learned, Earth heating up, which is often called global warming. What I know all scientists agree that climate change frequently over how many years? What I want to know, for how many years do all scientists agree that climate change frequently? What I learned, all scientists agree that the climate changes often during the first 4.5 billion years. What I know what greenhouse gases include mostly. What I want to know, what do greenhouse gases include mostly? What I learned, the greenhouse gas Gases include mostly carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.